What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So in today's video, my little right there, she asked if she could have a vending machine, a candy machine. So it just so happens I actually had 2 left in the shed that I have yet to place. So we pulled them out. I'm gonna teach you how to take them apart, get them cleaned, and whatever else goes along with it. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. All right, let's get into it. You ready? All right, let's do it. Wait, stick around. Don't go anywhere. Okay. Let's pull all of this stuff apart. So go for it. All right, so we got the top containers off. This plastic piece, Emma, they call it a globe. A globe, yeah. Even though it doesn't resemble a globe at all, really. All right, so we'll pull that. What's that called?
The dispenser thing.
Dispenser thing. Incorrect. What is that thing called?
You said it.
Coin.
Coin. Oh, coin.
Mechanism. Very good. Very good. So that's coin mechanism. We're gonna take the one out of the.
And these are nasty.
They're very nasty.
So
the
bad.
coin mechs have like grease and oil and stuff on them, so they
This
function
one
good.
is,
So now we gotta take the chute. That's the chute.
Chute, which the candy goes
Like, I don't know, guide. I mean, I guess the plastic piece is the chute, but this is like a chute guard, I guess. Guys, I'm not an expert. Okay, so let's take that off. We'll take the flap off. Oh gosh, these ones are pretty dirty.
That one's worse though.
That one's worse. The other side's worse. This one's way worse, she says. Okay, so we're gonna get them taken apart, and we'll see what's going on. Okay, next phase. Whenever you're ready. Oh, gross! We gotta sanitize this thing like 17 times. We have to boil it and disinfect it. Oh god! Ugh. Oh, that's what happens when you buy used machines, guys. You gotta really make sure they're clean. Oh my gosh, that's disgusting. But good thing we got a really good way of sanitizing these things. Stick around and don't go anywhere. Wiggle it, pull it, wiggle it, jiggle it, pull it, jiggle it, wiggle it, pull it. There you go. We'll fix that. We'll have to do a little bit of sanding down here on the little guide. And let's see what else. Check out on the bottom here.
Throwing stuff around.
I don't know. Maybe we'll sand it down a little bit and see. All right, so we got everything taken apart. Here's like a before picture. Look at that. Ugh, nasty, man. So these things are pretty gross. One of them is just gross. The little thingamajiggers. So that one's really clean. Okay, so what are we gonna do next step?
We are going to clean them in the dishwasher.
Put them in the dishwasher. All right, let's go. All right, kiddo. So this is the candy wheel.
Candy wheel.
Candy wheel, and there's different adjustments on there. Here, we'll show you. So this is how you adjust how many come out. So with the peanuts, M&Ms, it's probably good to have it all the way open. But with something like Skittles, maybe like somewhere in the middle. I'm not an expert. She's not an expert.
Like somewhere in the middle of these groove things.
Yeah, you'll see. Let's take it apart. Take all the screws out of there. All right, now let's take this, I'm not sure what it's called, but the adjuster deal. It just pops straight up and off. There you go. Okay, do the same for that one. Pull that one up and out. Just touch it. You can wash your hands. It is gross.
Ew, it's sticking on the bottom.
Okay, set it down and wash your hands. All right, so now we'll take them to got them all taken apart, all the parts. Gave a little pre-rinse on the nasty moldy stuff. Well, let's go. Emma tried to call you 100 times. I videotape everybody all the time. All right, see if it's empty. Up. You gotta put all that stuff away. Yep. The struggle is real. So when I did mine, I put them on sanitize or something. Yep, antibacterial. Boom.
Start.
Start.
And it's going.